Hi there, anatomy and physiology students. It's me, Mrs. Lindy. So just a couple things that I wanted you to be aware of before we get started on these notes. When I do notes, what I usually do is I hand out notes templates. So if you guys remember from class, I did pass these out to all of you. And the reason that I do this is so that you don't have to make a mad dash to write down 5 million things, but just to kind of help you process things a little bit better and have the time to think a little bit and not just have to write. If you would prefer to write out the notes, you can most definitely do that. I just want you to do what's ever going to work the best for you. But what happens is, as you can see, there's lots of different blanks. And so I just go through usually a PowerPoint presentation, and then just ask you to fill those in as you go along. But don't hesitate to use your highlighter to write some comments, questions, concerns, whatever the case may be, whatever is going to allow you to be successful. This information will come in handy, whether it is for when you do assignments or labs or tests or quizzes. This information just really helps you pull everything together. So please complete them, and then, like I said, just use them to your advantage. Also, another recommendation that I have is every time after you do some notes, once you take them, go back through and read through that information, make sure that it all makes sense and it's making connections, making those neural connections within your brain, because that will really help you to be successful and help you to take in all the different information that we're learning. Sorry, my lights turn off in my classroom if we're not moving, so that's what happened there. But like I said, just to kind of give you a heads up, and I want you to be as successful as you can. And then also don't hesitate to contact me whenever I ask you to do this. And if something doesn't make sense, that's most definitely what I'm here for. So don't be afraid to do that either. Remember, within Canvas, with each unit, there will be a discussion post that's for any questions or concerns that you have. And that's just not for me to reply to, but all the rest of you, please don't hesitate to respond to somebody if you have something that could help them out or help them to be successful. But like I said, also don't hesitate to let me know so that I can help you with any of those challenges too. Happy note taking.